Constellations have been a part of human culture for millennia, serving as a way to organize the night sky and tell stories. Here are 13 fascinating facts about constellations. 1. Constellations are patterns of stars. Constellations are groups of stars that form recognizable patterns in the sky. These patterns are often named after mythological figures, animals, or objects. 2. 88 official constellations. There are 88 officially recognized constellations, defined by the International Astronomical Union, IAU. These constellations cover the entire celestial sphere. 3. Constellations vary by hemisphere. Some constellations are visible only in the northern hemisphere, while others can only be seen from the southern hemisphere. For example, the Big Dipper is visible in the northern hemisphere, while the Southern Cross is visible in the southern hemisphere. 4. Ancient origins. Many constellations have ancient origins, with some dating back to Babylonian, Greek, and Egyptian civilizations. The Greeks, in particular, contributed significantly to the constellations we recognize today. 5. Constellations helped with navigation. Historically, sailors used constellations to navigate the seas. The North Star, Polaris, located in the constellation Ursa Minor, is particularly famous for helping travelers find their way. 6. Not all stars in a constellation are related. The stars in a constellation are not physically related or close to each other in space. They only appear close from Earth's perspective. They can be at vastly different distances from Earth. 7. Zodiac constellations. The 12 zodiac constellations lie along the ecliptic, the path the sun appears to take through the sky over the course of a year. These constellations are associated with astrology and horoscopes. 8. Seasonal constellations. Some constellations are only visible during certain seasons. For example, Orion is a prominent winter constellation in the northern hemisphere, while Scorpius is a summer constellation. 9. Constellations in different cultures. Different cultures have their own constellations and myths associated with them. For example, the Native American and Chinese constellations often differ from the Greek and Roman constellations. 10. Asterisms. An asterism is a recognizable pattern of stars that is not an official constellation. The Big Dipper is an asterism that is part of the larger constellation Ursa Major. 11. The Milky Way obscures some constellations. The dense star field of the Milky Way can obscure some constellations, making it harder to distinguish individual stars in those regions. 12. Constellations and modern astronomy. Modern astronomers use constellations to help map the sky. Each constellation serves as a region or area of the sky, helping astronomers locate celestial objects like stars, planets, and galaxies. 13. Constellations are seen differently over time due to the precession of Earth's axis. The position of constellations changes slowly over thousands of years. This means that the night sky looked different to ancient civilizations compared to today. These facts highlight the cultural, historical, and astronomical significance of constellations throughout human history. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more.